M.A.R.S is proud to announce we have reformulated our CleanLINZ evacuation line cleaner to quadruple the number of bacterial colonies per CFU to 1 billion. After weeks of testing, we've determined that our new solution has outperformed our old formula by a large margin. For those of you who are familiar with the M.A.R.S brand evacuation line cleaners, you already know how big of a feat it is to create an evacuation line cleaner that can outperform our CleanLINZ. Today's video will be outlining one of the studies M.A.R.S has performed to ensure we are providing our clients the best quality product. For this experiment, we compared the new formula of CleanLINZ on the left and the original formula of CleanLINZ on the right in a side-by-side study, examining each cleaner's ability to break down the material from inside a LibertyBOSS amalgam separator. To ensure accurate results, we took equal amounts of material from the same amalgam separator and placed them into similar jars. We measured 15 milliliters of each solution, then poured them into separate beakers with 1 liter of warm water. The mixed solutions will be introduced into the jars of material we prepared earlier. In under a minute of introducing the two formulas to the containers of amalgam waste, it was quite evident that they both began to break down the organic material. Within the first 2 hours, both formulas dissolved the solid waste, but the material hasn't fully settled to the bottom of the containers. Upon reaching the 24-hour mark, all the material has settled to the bottom of both jars. By appearance alone, both formulas seem to perform equally. A full 36 hours after introducing both formulas to the amalgam waste, we poured each container into the strainer originally used to measure the equal amounts of sludge at the beginning of this experiment. The material coming out of the jar containing the original formula yielded great results, which was to be expected. The original CleanLINZ formula has always performed very well. Most of the material was broken down, with minimal residual sludge remaining. When we poured the contents from the jar containing the new formula, the difference was immediately noticeable. The solid organic material from the beginning of this experiment has practically dissolved into a liquid. Much of the original material was fine enough to flow through the strainer, leaving less material than we originally started. This comparison study had been completed a total of 4 times, each result having the new formula of CleanLINZ prevailing as the superior product. M.A.R.S is proud to announce our new formula has already been released to the market on August 1st, 2018, with glowing reviews pouring in about the improvement of suction the new CleanLINZ formula has made for dental practices. Contact a trusted M.A.R.S distributor to learn more about the M.A.R.S LINZ program and the difference it can make in your practice.